Hello and welcome to my Beginners Python Challenge series. This series of videos is aimed at beginners to Python programming. What I'm going to be doing is introducing you to challenges that are designed just for beginners and working through some model answers. I'm not going to be teaching any Python programming in these videos because I've just released a beginners programming course with Python. The link to that is in the description. If you want to learn how to program in Python and you're an absolute beginner, that course is perfect for you. So challenge 4 is called Next Age Calculator. It says create a program to prompt a user to enter their name and their age. Add one to their age and display a message using their name and telling them what age they will be on their next birthday. All right, let's get going with this. I'm going to start off with a variable called username. And that's going to be equal to input. I don't need to cast that as it will come in as a string, which is perfect for username. So enter your name. Then I'm going to have user age. I'm just going to space all this out to make it clear. This is going to be an input, enter your age. And then I'll space this out as well. We're going to have next age is going to be equal to user age plus 1. And then we'll print out the result. So we'll use the username. That's what it asks us to do. Username. You will be. And then comma separate, we can insert the next age variable on your next birthday. That's our message. Let's save and run. Enter your name, enter your age, and there we have the message. Kim, you will be 42 on your next birthday. So there we have a simple next age calculator in Python.